Hi there. Today we will do a review on one of my bargains at the Trangia factory visit that I made earlier this summer. It's like a multi-pot stand for the Trangia. So let's try this. I think to tell you, I bought it as a second sorting at the Trangia factory. Probably there are some minor, visual appearances on the weldings. Nothing that bothers me. I wanted this because sometimes you have other pots or stuff that you will heat up on your Trangia. So let's try this out on a coffee maker. Right, fits perfect. We tried this out on my Trangia 27 hard anodized. Like it very much. We fill this up with some coffee grounded for espresso. Right, so far it looks very nice. Looks like a perfect suit for this Bialetti Mocca brewer. This is a small part of the river Dalälven. Very nice spot. Good for fishing. Very popular for fishing. Fly fishing especially. Yeah, right, and there we have a brew. Very nice. No heat at the handle as well. Perfect. That was nice. Yeah, I have a long drive today, so it's very good with a cup of strong coffee. Like it. Yeah, the summary of this test is that very practical multi-pot stand for the Trangia. Really like it. My Mocca brewer made it as well. Normally I cook coffee on the Trangia, like cowboy style, when outdoors. Yeah. What we see here is chaga, but there will not be any chaga tea for me today, only coffee, but this is very good to make tea on. And on this trip I have prepared for the autumn's moose hunt, and as well I made some red deer hunting. No luck this time, I only saw female and kids. I hope for better luck next time, and that was all for today.